There's Scooter. We got one raccoon, two raccoons, three raccoons. And look, I put the igloo out, and look what we got. Snowstorm. Yeah, I knew it was too early to put it out. Anyway, it's out there now. Nobody's going in it. So we got one fell up there. We got one on the step down there. And we got Scooter here. So what I'm doing, I'm just throwing hot dogs out there in the... I'm not going out there, but I'm just throwing these out on the deck for them. So... yeah, it's not a good night. I was at my best friend's daughter's place for supper, and this started when we were going home. So there you got a hot dog. Where are you going with it? You going to go in the igloo? No. I don't know why. It's all carpeted. No, they're not using it. Not even Scooter's going in there. So it's 8:30 on a Tuesday night. And I was at the doctor's today. Well, I actually saw the nurse. And I have a protruding belly button, and I think it's because they call it a herniated umbilical. Anyway, I went in and the nurse gave me the results of my blood work, and that was okay. So I asked the doctor if I could see about the herniated umbilical cord, and he said no. He said I don't have time, and I only do one thing at a time. You'll have to make another appointment. And guess when my appointment is? The 22nd of June. Isn't that a great doctor to have? Total idiot, as far as I'm concerned. I've had nothing but bad news with this guy. So it looks like I'm going to have to hook up with my friend, I said, because I'm not getting any satisfaction here. I think I'll have to go to the outpatients tomorrow and see about it. Because, I mean, it could be serious, eh? But he's not taking me serious, is he, Connor? No. What? You crying too, are you? They want to be fed too. So we got to do these guys first. I'm just going to put this on here. Then I don't have to hold it anymore. There. There. So I'll turn on the overhead light. Okay, we'll see what happens. Now, can you see, we open that door, can you see him? Yeah. Here. Here's yours. Do you want one? No, them fellows don't want to, they don't want to cooperate. Here you go. There's yours. There's just the three of them there. There's just the three of them, and nobody's going in the igloo. There's Scooter. Hi, Scooter. Do you know, bud? Huh? I'll just move this in a little closer. Scooter. It's cold out. Anyway. I'll throw a couple of more out on the floor. We're going through the second pound right now. There. And I put the snowblower away. Well, I guess we're going to have to feed these guys. Connor. All right. You ready? Come here. You ready? Here. There you go. There you go. Here's Charlotte. There you go. Starving to death. My cats are starving. Just ask Connor. Connor will tell you I don't feed them. So these guys are out in a snowstorm. Look at it blowing there, look. Yeah, and I left the feeders out. I'll have to get them after. They're up there eating on them. Now, what's he gonna do? Is there somebody else coming? Oh, it must be. He's going up in the... Yeah, must be somebody else coming. He's gone up on the roost there. Oh yeah, there was. There was. Yeah, there you got a hot dog and he's away with it. There goes Scooter. He got another one. I got to put another handful out there now. Alright. And gotta feed them. You coming down? Yeah. You gonna come down? Come down and get it. I'm not serving you. They'll be going in their dens once they have a little bit of nourishment. Where are you going with it? Sit on the step. There. That's all you do. Sit on the step. Yeah, the bench is full of snow. I guess we'll take those feeders in when these guys are done. They won't be that much longer. What's Scooter gonna do now? There he goes. See, he's staying in that corner. That's where he always used to go, remember? Either that or behind or hide behind the gate there. There's no sense putting dry food out because it'll just get all soggy in the snow. So I'll just keep the hot dogs going. And the cookies be no good either. You'd think they'd go in that igloo because it's well protected. You know, it's carpeted, it'll be warm in there. I knew I shouldn't have brought it up today. Just something told me we're gonna get snow, and sure enough, 22nd of March, snow again. What do you think, Charlotte? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Are you? I guess there's nothing else to show here, really. There's only the 2 raccoons here now. I think those hot dogs, there's 2 between them. I think that'll do them. I'll just keep checking to make sure. We'll just keep checking to make sure. The scooter's still there. There, they got 1 each. They got 1 each left. Anyway, I'll put this up on the internet, and then I'll keep an eye on them. If they're still going to be coming, I'll just keep feeding them. Alright. Oh, he's going up in his spot. He's going up in his spot. Oh, that's oh, we got 3 now. That's the fellow sitting on the steps, and this third guy showed up. There, he got a hot dog. Well, I'm going to have to put more out. I've got to put more out. Alright. We'll have to do that then. I'll just set that here for now. Oh my God, there's 5 there now. Holy smoke, God, I gotta get more hot dogs. We gotta get more hot dogs. Well, this is the 3rd pound going out. Where's the rest of them go? Now we just throw the whole thing out. There. That'll do them. There you go, buddy. There's Scooter. Some other guys left. Now, where's Connor Cat? I don't trust him. Where's that Connor Cat? Oh, he's laying on the floor. Okay. He's laying on the floor. So put the light on in here. Connor, you gonna get up on the couch? Huh? You getting up on the couch? You going in your chair? Oh, you're going in the chair, are you? That's your chair. That's his chair. Yeah, you can have that chair. That's the one I had upholstered for him. Yes. $400. Yep. Well, there's only the one left here now. Scooter. Hi, Scooter. Hi, Scooter. What you doing, buddy? You my buddy? Scooter. Are you hungry? Is Scooter hungry? Are you? You go get a hot dog? Oh, you got one. You're eating one. Okay. Scooter got a hot dog. Yeah. The other fellows took off. Yeah. Well, I'll keep an eye on them, and I'm going to get those. You get out of here, Connor. Remember he was in the chair? Look. Right behind the door. Look. Boy, oh boy. See, because that's how I was talking to Scooter, that's why. Yeah, you're not supposed to talk to strangers. Okay, we're going to put this on the internet, people. Sorry about the snowstorm.